A very warm welcome to all the lovely students in this video. Here we will know about types of sentences on the basis of their function. What is a sentence? A sentence is a set of words that contains a subject. That means what the sentence is about or the topic of the sentence. And a predicate. That means what is said about the subject. To know more about the subject and predicate, let us take some examples. Here on the screen, you can see two examples. In the first example, what is written? The house is red. So here, the topic of the sentence is the house. And what is said about the house is red. So this is your predicate. Likewise, in the second sentence, the horse ran in the field. So the topic of the sentence is the horse. That means this is the subject of the sentence. And what is said about the horse? Ran in the field. So this is the predicate. So we have type of sentences here. Let us know how many types of sentences are there on the basis of their function. So first one is assertive sentence or declarative sentence. This is the same thing. You can say assertive or declarative. Next is interrogative sentences. Then imperative sentences, exclamatory sentences, and the last one is optative sentences. So let us know about them one by one. So let us start with the assertive sentence. Assertive or declarative sentence. The sentences which declares a statement, a simple statement, feeling, opinion, incident, event, history or anything is called an assertive or declarative sentence. We can easily identify this type of sentence because it ends with a period, or you can say that it ends with a full stop. It can be a positive or negative statement. As I told you that the assertive sentences, they can be of two types. First is positive or affirmative and second is negative sentence. Now, what are positive or affirmative sentences? An affirmative or positive sentence simply states something. It is a declaration that is positive. It expresses fact or truth. On the other hand side, the negative sentence, it is the opposite of a positive statement. It states that something is not true. Let us see some examples of positive sentences. Keshvi is singing a song. It is a simple positive sentence. Hitanshi is playing with her sister. Shubhta was cooking food for her family. Yashvi completes her homework timely. Angel attends the online classes every day. Farron and Zia were painting the wall. They were going to the school. So these all are the examples of positive sentences. On this slide, I have put some examples of negative sentences. Children, we can easily identify negative sentences as they include words like no, not, never, etc. So this is your first sentence. Shweta does not like to eat rice. So this is the negative sentence as it includes not. Second sentence is Tapaswini did not go to the market. Next is Trisha does not like to travel by bus. Next is these are not pistachios. And the last one is Manaswi cannot drive a car. On the basis of function, now let us know about the second type of sentence, interrogative sentence. What is an interrogative sentence? An interrogative sentence is one that asks a direct question and always ends with a question mark. There are three basic question types. The first one is a yes-no question. Here, the answer of the question can be in yes or no. For example, do you want dinner? So the answer here is no. Do you study in class third? The answer can be yes or no. Now let us go to the second type of sentence, interrogative sentence. Here it can be a question word question. That means the question starts with a question word. For example, where do you live? I live in New Delhi. Now, the question words can be what, which, when, where, who, whom, whose, why, whether, and how. So these all are the question words, and if a question starts with these words, so our answer is always informative and it is in a statement. That is why we call it a question word question. Now the last type of sentence, interrogative sentence, is choice question, and the answer is in the question itself. For example, would you like to have tea or coffee? So the answer is tea please. There can be many more examples of it. For example, would you like to play cricket or hockey? So you can answer cricket or hockey. Let us move towards the next type of sentence on the basis of the function, and these are imperative sentences. The sentence which is used to convey a command, instruction, a request, and an advice is called an imperative sentence. This type of sentence always takes the second person for the subject, but most of the time the subject remains hidden. For example, bring me a glass of water. Imperative sentences end with a period, or you can say a full stop or an exclamation point. Sometimes they can end with a question mark also. Let us see some examples of command. Sit down, go to your classroom, stop talking so loudly. The examples of request can be please give me a glass of water, please wait for your turn. And as advice, the examples can be don't eat junk food, don't drink alcohol. So these are the examples of imperative sentences. On this slide, you will see the next type of sentence, that means the exclamatory sentences. An exclamatory sentence is a sentence that expresses strong emotions such as excitement, surprise, happiness, and anger. An exclamatory sentence ends with an exclamation point. For example, how beautiful the city is. I am angry. You did a great job. You won the prize. And happy birthday, Tina. So these all are the examples of exclamatory sentences. Now the last type of sentences on the basis of the function are optative sentences. The sentence which expresses a prayer, wish, bless, and curse is an optative sentence. For example, God save the world. So this is a prayer. So it is a kind of optative sentence. So let us see some more examples of it. May your wishes all come true. May you stay healthy and strong forever. Wish you a very happy anniversary. At last, I would like to say, keep learning children, and thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, don't forget to share it with your friends.